Hello students of class 6, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 6 physical science and the chapter that I will continue today is the waste management, and this video is part 4 from this chapter. In the previous video we learned about the waste product classification according to the source. In this video we are going to discuss about the classification of the waste product basis on chemical nature first. Classification of waste products on the basis of chemical nature. So, according to the chemical nature, if we are classifying them into by this chemical nature, they are mainly of two types. That is one organic waste, and the second one is inorganic waste. So the organic means the organic salts and the products which are actually organic, and the inorganic means these are the complex like nylon, rubbers, etc. So we are going to discuss about this by these pictures, so let's watch. Now we are going to discuss about the basis on chemical nature, the waste products. The first is the picture of the inorganic waste that you can see. That includes the different inorganic salts and processed products, processed compounds that are produced by byproducts in industrial process, like salts of heavy metals including copper, iron, chromium, etc. And sometimes these are all, you can see that the bottles, that are the empty cans, and all these are called inorganic waste. And the next, it is also one picture of the inorganic waste where it includes the glass bottles, cans, you can see. The next is organic waste. So it is the organic waste that usually comes every day from our normal things and normal household works. That these are the organic compounds generated from and sometimes by rubber, nylon, paints, etc. But the organic waste usually contain the complex hydrocarbons. But it is also one organic waste that is produced from the normal household. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the classification of the waste products according to the basis of physical nature. It was done on the chemical nature, basis on physical nature. So according to the physical nature, the waste products can be of three types: solid waste, liquid waste, and the third one is gaseous waste. So let's discuss them with the pictures. Let's go. About the basis on the physical nature, that means the waste materials can be classified into here like solid waste, liquid waste, and gaseous waste. So here it is the first picture of the solid waste. So the solid waste includes that you can see so many of the glass bottles are dumping here. Every day when we drink a bottle of water, when we throw them out, when we drink any aromated drinks or any cold drink and we throw the bottles of them, they are all not degradable. They are all like includes the waste products, the non-degradable waste products for our nature. These are all in the solid waste. The solid waste includes the metallic and non-metallic waste, include the plastic, jars, glass, pipes, and disposed of the landfill, or may be incinerated for the high temperature. Okay, so these are also this you can see the many dumping of the solid waste are present here. Now we are going to discuss about the liquid waste. So this is a so nasty picture, right? They include the water soluble compounds or simply inorganic solvents that comes from sometimes from our household works, and sometimes from the industrial waste, and they are simply organic solvents. If these are added to the water body, it causes water pollution and reduces the oxygen level of the water body. Okay, and if the oxygen level of the water body decreased, then what will happen? This water will be mixing with this normal river or pond, and the live thing like fishes and all the things that are present on the water, they may die due to the decrease of the oxygen level on this water. So it is become very dangerous. So we should first make them proper, and we should treat them. The treatment of this liquid waste is needed very much, and after them we should mix it with the normal water substances. The next is about the gaseous waste. So this is a very common picture. These are the oxides of the carbon, sulfur, nitrogen, several toxic hydrocarbons, aerosols, methane, and greenhouse gases like CFC. The CFC usually come from any air cooling products like fridge, like AC. These are legally emitted from the factories, chemical plants, and vehicles. It is also the picture of one factory. There you can see that the gaseous waste are coming out in the nature, and it is usually harming the nature. It is also one picture where you can see the gases that is usually like ash or black, that it is so much polluted that coming out from these industries and mixing with the air, and it usually harm the air. It is mixing with the air. After the mixing of it, there are no before mixing with the water or before they are coming out in the nature, they are opening these gas chambers. They are usually not refined them, right? The polluted things are actually mixing with it. That means the all nitrogen, sulfur, carbons, mainly the CFC, that can also harm the greenhouse, the ozone layer. The greenhouse gases can affect the ozone layer. That is actually a very important part for our earth. But these wastes are doing these things every day. The waste, this type of waste, the solid waste, liquid waste, and gaseous waste are coming out every day, and they can harm us too much. So students, in this video we learned about the waste product classified on the basis of the chemical nature as well as physical nature. On the chemical nature, based on the organic and the inorganic waste. That means the organic waste means the waste byproducts, mainly the iron, copper, chromium, this organic materials or metals you can say. And for the physical nature, there are kind of three types like solid, liquid, gaseous, the normal three physical natures, and in every type the waste products are present, and these are all very much harmful. We have to stop at once. And in the next video we are going to discuss about a new classification on the basis of biodegradable or degradable ability you can say. In the next video we will learn about them. Till then, thank you.